Hindi ang mga paniwala na nandito ako. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and long time no vlog! Oh my gosh! Not gonna lie, medyo kinakabahan ako because it's been a while nga since I vlogged. Like, literally a year. So, I don't know if kaya ko pa. Kaya ko pa naman siguro. Pero hindi ko na kung marunong pa ako mag-English. So, we're vlogging today. The vlogs are back. Don't know for how long. Pero I really wanna vlog because I will be going to Japan! Today is our flight to Japan. Punta muna kami sa Tokyo. Pero after nun, may connecting flight to Sapporo. For this trip, it's gonna be 1.5 weeks. I'm going to Sapporo and then we're gonna go back to Tokyo. It's actually my first time in both those places and first time ko rin to experience winter and snow. So I'm very excited. Last time I went to Japan was 2 years ago pero sa Osaka lang. I'm excited but I'm also kind of nervous kasi also hirap na hirap ako mag-empake. Grabe guys, lumalagpas na ako sa free baggage, ganun. Pero napagkasya ko naman, ata, I don't know. So, I have here my personal bag, ganun, the one that I'm gonna take with me in my seat. And then over here, and I have my baggage that I'm gonna check in. Nasa 18.5 kilos na yan. Max naman at 20. And this one is gonna be my carry-on. Nasa 6.5. So, sakto lang kasi 7 kilograms yung limit. Put like Blackpink stickers here. Ito yung galing sa Starbucks collab nila. Honestly, ginawa ko lang yun para magamit ko yung stickers. And ang funny because I'm not really like a die-hard fan of Blackpink. Like, hindi rin ako subscribed sa lahat ng ginagawa nila. Pero may Jennie pa rin ako dito kasi I think she's so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna eat lunch and then after lunch, I think we're gonna go. Let's go! We're now here in Sapporo and palakad na kami ng hotel and madulas yung snow. Although okay lang naman kasi nag-boots na ako kahit from Shein lang siya. Grabe, sobrang walang tulog, pagod na ako. Pero papasyal pa kami after nito. Guys, it's snowing! Kita ba? It's my first snow. I feel like Lorelai Gilmore. I smell snow! Nanay kong balot sa balot. We dropped off our luggages sa hotel. Now we're just waiting for the train to Otaru. 20 minutes pa kasi na-miss namin yung first. Akala kasi namin 5 minutes lang yung pagitan. Yung pala 30 minutes each. So, ayun. Very rapid train naman siya. Ano? It's snowing here in Otaru. Grabe guys, ang lamig. Pero nakakaputi. Ayun, we're walking to the Music Box Museum. Then sana pagkatapos kumain na kasi sobrang gutom na ako. So white here, grabe. It's giving Bridgerton. Finally eating a real meal in Japan. Grabe. It's already mag-4 o'clock na. Ngayon pa lang kami kakain talaga. Kaya pa ba? Mukha akong naligo. Sobrang lumakas yung snow kanina na tipong di na ako makadilat. And yung kinakain ko, kumain kami nung beef something. Hindi ko na na-videohan or picturean kasi grabe talaga yung snow, tapos kumakain ka pa. So, ayun. Alam niyo, in fair, ang saya kahit na walang tulog and walang kain and medyo I feel a little delirious. Oh, delirious. Ang saya ng may snow kasi parang first time ko maka-experience and ever since syempre bata ako, gusto ko na yun yung pangarap nating lahat galing Pilipinas maka-experience ng snow. And yun, ang saya. Nakakadulas nga lang. Pero in fair, yung nabili kong boots from Shein lang siya. Hindi naman siya nakakadulas. Basta syempre careful ka din. Kasi yung iba talaga, may nadulas sa harap ko, literal. Tapos tumawa na lang siya. First bite. Back in Japan. Snow crab tempura. Try natin for the first time. Soft. Soup, daddy. I like it. So good. I think we are now here at the Otaru Canal. Grabe guys, sobrang white ng snow. Kakatuwa. And parang di ang mga paniwala na nandito ako. Ayun, parang 2 days ago I was at work and now I'm here. Yeah, dumidilim na. Lumalamig na rin yung temperature lalo dahil paggabi na. So, I wore this hat and hindi ko kaya na walang takip yung nose. Sa nose ako pinaka nasasaktan. We're here! Wow! So nice. Dinediretso na lang namin yung kanal kasi sabi diretso na daw to ng Otaru Station. So, pabalik na kami ng Sapporo. And magpapahinga. Okay, kakabalik lang namin sa hotel na kapag-check-in na it's around 8 p.m. dito sa Japan. And bago kami palit, pakita ko lang yung damit ko. Naka-heat tech ako sa loob na ultra warm from Uniqlo. And then this sweater is from Shein. These pants are from Uniqlo. My shoes, my boots, my trusty boots are from Shein. And actually, sobrang okay niya. Itong puffer jacket and yung scarf is also from Shein. These shades are from H&M, and the bag, this is the Uniqlo bag. I put my Crybaby over here. Nilagyan ko din ng Love and Berry na keychain that I got from a gachapon. Mitsukoshi sa BGC and my alcohol. So, yan. Tapos room tour din tayo. Okay, so this is the entrance door from kanina. And dito mayroong whole row of closet space. So, dyan muna namin nilagay yung mga maleta. And this is actually a very spacious room. Gulat ako for Japan standards. And then, over here, we have the toilet and bath. Actually, hiwalay yung hiwalay yung sink. And then, actually, may isa pang sink dito. So, here's the toilet, sink, and bathtub with shower. Over here is the bed space. So, dito muna merong isang full-length mirror kung saan ko lang pinil yung OOTD ko. And then, ayan, we have 3 beds, sharing a room with my parents. And then, ayan, may tatlong chairs din. Mayroong desk with a large mirror din. And the TV. Ayan, so that's our room. And excited na akong pahinga kasi walang tulog. I forgot to mention pala that we're staying at Appa Hotel Sapporo. Madami silang branches all over Sapporo or Japan. Hindi ko alam. I will get ready for bed. Well, makakain muna kami dito lang sa hotel. And papahinga na. Because tomorrow is gonna be another snow activity. So our dinner for tonight is, hello, KFC. So ayan, meron lang tayong chicken, fries. Then meron silang parang pot pie. And we have rice from Family Mart. Because can't live without rice. And then may dessert lang dito. Rice. So hot. Fries. Tastes like regular fries. Okay, let's try KFC of Japan. Very similar lang sa Philippines. Let's try the pot pie. Cute ng packaging niya. Kung bubuksan mo siya, para lang siyang Pop Mart. Oh, so crunchy. Ito. May corn, carrots. Okay naman nga, pero hindi ko malasahan chicken. Okay, day 2. This is my outfit. So, sa loob ultra warm. Yung pinakamalala na warm ulit from Uniqlo. So, ito yung color black. Then, I'm also wearing Uniqlo pants. Similar siya sa kahapon na pants din, pero black version. Because I love Uniqlo. And then, ito din, pati yung boots, black version lang siya nung white boots na sinuot ko kahapon. That's from Shein. This is my Uniqlo bag. And then, ito, this is so cute. This is like a ski jacket. And I got it on Instagram from Nuna's Coat. So, yeah, this is thrifted. May mga details pa yan. Ayan, dyan. And then, I'm just wearing the same puffer jacket from yesterday. This is also from Shein. And, nakabini lang ako. Sobrang luma na nito. Nagdala din akong shades. These are from Shopee. Ayan. I feel like Renee Rapp for some reason. But anyways, for today, we are going to Kokusai Ski Resort. Hindi ako mag-ski, but siguro mag-slide kami or something. And I'm just excited to experience more snow. And naiinitan na ako dito sa loob ng kwarto namin. We are here. Ang galing, saktong kung ano yung sinabing arrival time doon sa ticket. Yun yung oras na dumating kami. As in 11:07. Ganun sila ka-accurate. Ang lamig. Naka-negative 4 ata. Negative 3 ngayon. So, ang lamig. Wait, picture daw muna kami. We have our sleds. Sa akin yung pink. Tapos magbabayad na lang muna kami. Medyo nakakaligaw kasi ewan ko, hindi naman alam kung saan magbabayad and stuff. Pero bahala na sila doon. Magsasled lang kami. I won't ski kasi I'm scared. So, snowy. Ang lamig, guys. Negative 3.7. And wala akong scarf, so mask lang. And syempre, medyo manipis lang to. Kasi ang ano nung hangin sa mukha. So, ayun. Yay! Snow! Ganda ng shot. Okay. So, happy. I feel like a very happy kid. So, hirap maglakad. Have to be very careful. Dala ko na yung, kita ba? Yung sled. I think we're supposed to go dun sa may net area. Pero sabi ko din naman kahit saan. Pero parang nakakahiya. Yan, tatay ko. Diretso siya sa sled ko. Ganda ako!
Tama ka si Pastito, hindi ako pwede.
Game! 1, 2, 3, go! Bumalik natin!
Up.
Childhood dream. Gumana sa ito. 1, 2, 3, go. Paano ba mag-snow angel? Ramen after a very cold day. Sarap. Gabi na, guys, and we're here at Sapporo Beer Museum. Mga 1.5 hour pabalik dito sa Sapporo, and I think dito kami kakain din somewhere later. Pringles Hokkaido version. So cute. This looks interesting. Melon, pure jelly. So tiny. We got shirt, magnet, corn, chichirya, and aluminum cups. May design ba yan? Ayan yung design. Akala ko sticker. Last minute edition.
Chocolate.
Kasha pa ba yan sa maleta? We will find out. Lumabas ulit kami. Hindi ko na kung nasa yung mga kasama namin. Kasi parang sa ibang building daw kami kakain. I also keep forgetting to use my mic. So ito, ginagamit ko na. Kasi ang hina din ng boses ko kasi nahihiya ako. This is such a pretty building and ang ganda nitong tree, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. So pretty. These are the barrels. Ayan. It's so nice out. Kanina nilalamig na ako, lalo na sa kamay. Ito, sobra, lalo na sa ski resort. Kaya may heat pack ako dito sa, sa pocket. Ayun. Pero parang mas okay naman na ngayon dito sa Sapporo as compared dun sa Kokusai Ski Resort kanina yung lamig. Although gusto ko na rin pumasok sa restaurant saan ba kami kakain. Dito pala kami kakain, dito sa may smaller restaurant. But I think it's all the same Sapporo beer chain naman. So, let's go inside. Roar. Dudulas pa ako. Mali pala. Hindi pala kami doon. Dito kami. Ayan, dito. Tapos, plus, drinks are here. My mom got Coca-Cola lang. Tapos sa akin, melon soda. I'm gonna try the melon soda for the first time.
Kain muna ako. Nag-ano ko kasi before tayo.
So, nandito yung nanay ko. Okay, gonna try 5-star. Masarap daw to. Okay naman. Parang lasang soft drinks na may beer.
Love it.
Parang pareho lang. Pero parang mas maano yan, carbonated.
Yeah.
We ordered, ano to? Lamb na gengiscan with vegetables. And then over here, we have beef spare ribs, chicken gengiscan, tsaka may scallop din. And then rice. Ang cute ng rice.
Tayo lang hindi natin.
Okay, I'm gonna try lamb for the first time.
Ganyan yung tawa niyo, delikado.
Smile!
Thank you.
The moment we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Ang tatay mo nilagyan ako ni yelo. May, malamig daw yung leg ng tatay mo.
Back at our hotel and then magko-convenience run lang kami. Ayan. Ito lang siya, katapat ng hotel namin, yung Family Mart. Oh, punong-puno pa. I like this. Anything na peach or lychee, ang sarap. Or strawberry din. Strawberry, yay! Wanna try this one too? The gasp I let out when I saw this Pocky melon flavor. Kasi last time, bumili akong melon Kit Kat flavor. Yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko. So, lahat ng melon gusto ko nang bilhin para matry. Actually, meron din ito. Pero, chocolate eh. Good morning! It is Sunday today, day 3 namin. And grabe yung hangin. Tapos, nag-decide pa ako ngayon mag-skirt. O, diba? Galing ko. Pero naka-thermal naman ako sa loob. And today, we are going to... Saan tayo punta? Mount Moiwa. Named after me. Charot. Maglalakad lang kami ngayon papunta doon sa tram. Ang gulo na buhok ko. Kinulad ko pa yan. Wala rin naman nangyari. Hinangin lang. Okay, maglalakad na kami. Hey guys, change of plans. Hindi kami natuloy sa Mount Moiwa kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin din pagdating namin doon. So, walang shuttle bus papunta doon. So, bumalik kami. And nandito kami ngayon sa Sapporo Clock Tower. Yan, nasa likod ko. It looks like a Stars Hollow building. If makita nyo guys, sobrang lakas ng snow talaga. As in, ang hirap dumilat. Parang umuulan, ganun yung feeling. Ayan, sobrang cute ng snowmans. Ayan ay magulang ko. Iniiwan na ako. Mag-picture kasi sila. I guess this is the picture spot here. Kanina may pila, pero sakto ngayon nawala. Doon sila mami na. Grabe guys, ang taas ng stairs. Buti na lang may escalator. Dito na kami sa Shiroi Koibito Park. Balalakayan pa namin. Pero grabe, sobrang lamig nung pagbaba ng station. Pero negative 1 nung naman. Halos same nung sa malapit sa hotel namin. So hindi ko lang bakit sobrang lamig nung... Basta yung wind ang lamig. Paglabas ng station, ganito ka heavy snow daw ngayon. Kapag ganyan kalakas yung snow, kailangan ko anuhin yung scarf ko. Kasi ang nung ilong. I look crazy! Grabe guys, kakahagard. Batang buho ko. Anyways, so we're here. Asan tayo? We stopped by this little like cafe or shop. Route 148 ata pangalan. And we got this. It's a gato. Gato? Tama ba yung pagkakasabi ko? Anyway, yun kasi yung nasa picture. And then, we also just bought popcorn. We have Hokkaido Golden Popcorn and Hokkaido Caramel Popcorn. Uwi namin sa Pilipinas. Ayan yung pupuntahan namin, yung Chocolate Factory, yung brick building sa likod. Look at their railings. Attention to architectural detail. Puro mga pusa. Nasa baba may mga hearts. Ang cute! Okay, we are in. Okay, akyat na kami. Ang bango amoy chocolate. So, kailan pa ako nag-decide yung parang leggings na fake. Tsaka pa nagkaroon ng heavy snow. Grabe. Kailan ko gusto magtiis ganda. Tsaka nagkaroon ng heavy snow. Ayan tayo. Pabalik na kami sa may area namin sa hotel. Doon na lang kami kakain para hindi na kami ma-stock dito sa mas malayong area. Balik na kami train station. We are back here sa may Odori Park. Actually, Odori Park nakatabi nito. Pero ayan, ito din yung clock or TV tower. And 5 PM pa lang. Pero sobrang dilim na. Parang gabi na. Ang labig guys. Hindi pa rin kami nakakain. So, nag-decide kami ngayon if diretso na kami Odori Park. Kasi nagsusnow. So, ayun, baka ang annoying. Or kung kakain mo sa restaurant. Init. Yan, yung coat ko nandito sa likod, naka-hanger. And very schoolgirl ang peg natin for today. May ribbon pa ako sa likod. And medyo manipis din. Actually, yung coat ko. Ayun, tiis ganda. Kaso ayun, medyo snowstorm kasi sa labas. So, hindi ko rin ata napakita ng totally yung outfit ko. Pero, ayun. Anyways, kakain muna kami kasi di pa talaga kami kumakain other than breakfast kanina pa. So, our orders are here. We're eating at a Yakitori restaurant. We have chicken wings and chicken with cheese. Tas I think mga pork skewers din yon. Ayan, chicken skin yan. And then this one, we have beef tenderloin. And we also have rice na niluluto pa doon. Let's try the steak first. Lambot. Sarap. 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 After 85 years, meron na yung rice. And finally, makakain na ng tuloy-tuloy. So hungry. Parang ang sweet din niya. Ang sarap. Ito naman is crab rice. Everyone, we are back at the hotel now. It's around 8 p.m. Yun, after namin kumain, ayoko na talaga kasi paglabas namin, nag-negative 3 na siya and hindi pa rin tumitigil yung snow, as in, masaya naman yung snow pero kasi papunta na siyang snowstorm, gano'n, hindi na siya masaya and nahihirapan akong dumilat nga, lalo na kapag yung snow pa gano'n sa mukha mo and wala rin akong kasing hood, or meron lang akong scarf, feeling ko hindi enough. And nilalamig na rin talaga ako. Ayun, gusto ko na umuwi. Dumaan lang muna kaming Family Mart sa may tapat ng hotel namin. And pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga binili namin na iuwiin namin sa Pilipinas. Just to end this vlog. These are mostly food, pero ito lang yung hindi food. Bumili ako ng Biore makeup remover na sa Family Mart. I'm gonna buy a bulk of this in Don Quijote pagdating namin sa next destination mamaya. Yeah, I just bought one para magamit ko na sa next few days. Kasi girl, breakout ako. Meron akong nagka-pimple ako here, tapos parang nag-breakout ako sa may noo. Akala ko mas gaganda skin ko. Kasi diba usually magda-dry yung skin kapag cold weather. As an oily girl. Sabi ko, it's my time to shine. Hindi na mag-oily yung face ko. Ayun, nag-breakout pa din naman ako. Pero anyways. And then, from Family Mart, I just got a ham and egg sandwich. Alam ko, pinili ko may cucumber pero I guess ito yung nakuha ko. Anyway, yun. Kasi maaga kami magta-travel to the airport tomorrow. So, ito na lang yung ibe-breakfast ko. And then, I also bought a Tokyo Banana X Caramel ice cream na kakainin ko lang tonight as a dessert. And then, ito na yung mga pasalubong talaga. So, first, we got Hokkaido Cheese Choco from Family Mart. And then, ito, binalikan namin siya. This is mine. This is all mine. Kasi yung goal ko talaga this trip is bumili ng iba't ibang melon flavored stuff. And then I also bought a blueberry flavored one kasi it's color pink tapos may hearts siya sa dulo. Ang cute! We also got these. Ano ba ito tawag? Thunder chocolate kasi Hokkaido exclusive daw siya. Got 3 of those. And last, nung nasa counter na, nakita ko to sa counter. It's a Haichu na melon flavor kasi I love Haichu. Naghahanap nga ako kanina kaso hindi ko makita yung gusto kong malaking pack. Anyway, first time ko makakita ng melon flavor so bumili kaming kaming dalawa nito. And ang funny kasi yun nga, nakita ko siya sa cashier. Tapos sabi ko, Haichu! Tapos sabi nung cashier, yeah, meron. Tapos akala ko nagtatagalog siya. Na parang, meron. Diba kasi usually mga cashier, minsan nagtatagalog sila kapag alam na akong Pilipino ka. Tapos yung pala sinasabi niya, melon. Anyways, ayan. So, bumili ako nito. Then, bumili lang din ako ng hiwalay na pack. Tapos, natawa sila nung kinuha ko pa to. Kasi, for tasting daw. Ayan. So, that's everything that we got so far. So, after nito, kain lang akong dessert. Mag-i-empake na kami because our next stop will be in Tokyo. Gonna be my first time to explore Tokyo. So, I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Okay, joke. Before we end the vlog, mag-taste test na rin tayo. So, this is yung Haichu na melon. Let's see if tama ba yung decision ko sa mga pinagbibili ko. I like it. Lasa siyang melon, but it's not too sweet. So, sakto lang siya. Sarap. Now, let's try the Tokyo Banana and Caramel. Ang cute! Picturean ko lang ulit. It's so soft. Oh my god, I love it. Mas lasa mo yung banana niya. Pero I like banana din kasi. Okay, I made the right choices.